Hello sheep friends. I told you I was gonna bring you another video on our sled design. Obviously it's a prototype, not fully done yet. Ryan has all the metal cut, as you can see, or majority of it, all these. I don't remember how many we're gonna make. We were going to try to use these for our cow supplement this winter. We decided on buying alfalfa because it came available. So maybe we'll use these for the cows later on. We'll definitely probably use them for the calves when we wean them in January or something. But they're supposed to be for cattle and sheep. So I wish I could show you guys what they will look like height-wise up on a sheep, because they're definitely different than the bunks that I showed in the last video. If you haven't seen that, go check it out in the description box below. But obviously we won't be using these for lambs. They'll be more for mature ewes. I do think though they'll be able to, especially the Aussie whites, when we get fully to those, that they'll be able to reach in there. But this is the design that we have so far. If you saw in the last video, we will put wooden like half circles on the ends of here and tie them. That way the feed stays inside, but we can remove that if one breaks or something. I don't think we're gonna do a jump bar over the top for right now. The other things that we'll add are like little, what do you call those? Little riser things that come forward. That way, I'm totally blanking on the terms right now. I'm sorry guys, but that way it doesn't dig into the ground as we pull it forward. There'll be some kind of hook or something here for a chain or a rope, probably a chain now that I think about it, to pull with the four-wheeler. And yeah, I'm really excited. They look really good. I think they'll be really nice out on the pasture too. One bar in the middle. Ryan did a really good job on this. And that's the back side. I will put the dimensions of this pipe that we're using, well, the black, in the description box. I think I said that in the last video, but they were, I looked it up, they're 20 feet long. Ryan cut them in half at Menards, so that way he could put them on the pickup in the circles. So whatever, it was 10 foot off the pickup bed. And then once he got them here, then cut them in the semicircles. So yeah. I just think it's good to share ideas with other people. That's how we started out with all of our stuff. Scouring the internet for odd things like what, Joel Salatin used to make all these crazy things back in the day. And now they kind of seem half normal. If you guys didn't see our shade structure, our sheep shed that we made, I'll leave that in the description box below. We made it way back when we first got sheep, and we're gonna use it as like a mobile sheep shed. It looked very weird to a lot of people just being out on pasture. It was made out of a trailer house frame, and then we kind of fenced it in and put a roof on it. That way we could put the sheep up at night when we didn't have an established livestock guardian dog. Since then, I think after we got to like 50 sheep and just multiple kids, it didn't make sense to go out and keep putting them up at night. And then we had a more established livestock guardian dog to protect the sheep. But we were using it as a shade structure. And then just this past late summer, it got caught in some wind, straight line winds, and flipped 3 times. I need to put that video up. Maybe I'll do that after this. But oh my gosh, guys, it tore it to shreds. And the sheep were in it like 2 days before. They would have been in there. We had moved them 2 days prior to these straight line winds, maybe even a day. It was wild. It was a God thing for sure. But yeah, it would have been in the paddock back, which normally I would have given them access to, but then I decided to fence them off of it. Just a totally crazy thing. Yeah, it flipped like 3 times, bent the trailer house frame like to pieces, all the metal just destroyed. So I don't know, I'm going on a side tangent there in a story time, but we are used to doing some crazy things, and this is just one of them. Ryan had all this metal, and I don't know how much these are to like purchase the metal ones. Well, you can't even purchase like sheep ones. You'd have to kind of jimmy rig things to make it into a sheep one because of the height. But I think the cattle ones are at least 200 or something. And I don't remember what we have in this. I think half that. But then you got to factor in metal and time. So yeah, but hope that helps somebody. Leave a comment below if you guys are doing anything like this or you've seen anything like this on the internet. I would be interested to see, especially for sheep. Interested to see how it goes. Like I said, we're not doing a jump bar, but we'll see. Hopefully, cattle are definitely our like number one like enemy for this, stepping into it. Sheep, I don't think we'll have an issue with them trying to jump over it. But yeah, hopefully they hold up with cattle. It's always a whole thing with cattle when you're trying to manage for them. They just destroy things. So okay, well, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Sorry about all the extras in the background. That's life for you.